I like HART 2-gallon portable vacuum, and it's small, it's easy to carry. You basically can take it into the car and vacuum the car very nicely. And you can pick up the hose. It's very powerful, and it has everything what I need. But there is a major flaw. Let me open this up. Okay, after I take this apart, and normally you would dump it, you would dump the trash out. Okay, that was trash. Now look at this one. You can see there's an angle. Now how do you get it out? Okay, it would get stuck right there. This is the part that I don't like about this vacuum. Other than that, it's nice that it's easy to carry, and I will have a hard time empty the trash in here because it always get caught right there at the corner or on the side.